I'm Livia Le Divelec. I'm a winemaker and the brand ambassador for Frescobaldi in the world. So I'm always very busy. What about Frescobaldi? Frescobaldi is one of the most historical family involved in the wine production in Tuscany. And actually they have nowadays 8 estates over there. We are gonna actually cover the main areas involved in the wine production in Tuscany. And we are very proud because this year we got the award Winery of the Year for the Gambero Rosso. So that's very important for us in order also to share our philosophy abroad and all over the world. The viticulture, and from an agronomical point of view, actually each single estate is totally different from other ones because we are actually, as I told you before, covering the main and the different DOCG areas. What is really making the difference for us is actually the concept of terroir, including the human value, because each single estate has its own cellar with team of experts, including agronomists and enologists. So also those are able to read the land and to let the bottles of wine express what the land is giving us. What we are doing is actually for an ethic of production to go in the direction of a sort of biological system. Actually, we were reintroducing 10 years ago almost a technique called the sowing green manure, which is helping us in enriching the soil with nutrients. So what we are doing always is going that direction. Actually, it's part of the Italian culture. So even if maybe you are not thinking about this, if you are really loving the land of origin, you are of course producing quality wine with with the perfect characteristic in order to match the food of the territory. So it's something very typical in Tuscany. If you are tasting a glass of Brunello, maybe you are expecting a very succulent or a red meat. If you are tasting a Chianti Classico, you are expecting the Florentine T-bone steak. That's something very natural for us. Always feeling challenging with the land and with the climatic conditions. So every year you're gonna learn something more and you can improve from a personal point of view, of course, but you can also enrich yourself in terms of new techniques available in the world, in the winemaking world. Of course, I'm in love with the Chardonnay and the Pinot Noir of our estates located in the northeastern part, which is the Comino estate, but of course the Sangiovese. It's really representing our life and our mood with the astringency, the freshness, because it's representing a kaleidoscope of aromas and colors, each single place you are planting and growing up.